Osmania University is one of the premier institutions of higher learning in India, epitomizing the national agenda for higher education. It is a pioneering and performing university accredited by NAAC with the highest rating of 5 stars in the service of the nation. 11 years later, another feather added to the crown. The establishment of University College of Engineering, which was the 6th institution to be established in India, dedicated for the sole purpose of imparting and nourishing engineering knowledge. Engineering College served and matured into one of the most prestigious institutions, which has raised to autonomous status in 1994. The Platinum Jubilee of the college was celebrated in the year 2004. The vision of the institute is to generate and disseminate knowledge through a harmonious blending of science, engineering, and technology. The mission of the institute is to achieve excellence in teaching and research, advancement of knowledge in engineering, science, and technology, to impart new skills of technology development. Leading to the award of Bachelor of Engineering, the college offers 4-year engineering degree courses in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Established in the year 1959, with only 2 faculty members, it bears the indelible stamp of its founder, head of the department, late Professor K.K. Nair. He exhorted EC department to become a byname for excellence, creativity, and enterprise. In the span of 5 decades, the department has grown to a complement of 16 members of teaching staff and about 500 students at UG and PG, with the staff specialized in various fields of digital systems, control systems, signal processing, microwaves, microprocessor applications, computer systems and communication engineering, embedded systems, and VLSI design, and most of them having doctorates. ECE has a legacy of providing quality engineers and citizens to the country. The department has celebrated its Golden Jubilee in the year 2008, and during the last 50 years, the Department of ECE has been faithful in engaging young minds to think independently and explore ideas presented to them. Accommodated with latest and ever-lightening range of laboratories, various other research facilities, combined with knowledgeable and extremely cooperative staff, make learning convenient and interesting. The department includes several advanced and well-equipped laboratories such as Signals and Systems Processing Lab, VLSI Lab, Basic Electronics Lab, Microprocessors Lab, Communications Lab, Electronics Lab, Microwave Lab, Pulse and Digital Circuits Lab, JC Bose System Simulation Lab, Impact Lab has sophisticated equipment such as optoelectronic equipment, in-circuit emulation, embedded system software tools, VHDL synthesis tools. The department also has Center for Excellence in Microwave Engineering, which is a joint venture between the company Astra Microwave Products Limited and the Osmania University. The department received 12 Xilinx FPGA boards from Xilinx USA free of cost under University Donation Program. The estimated budget for the total grant is approximately $37,000. The department also received 21 Cypress PSOC, 8051 and ARN trainer kits under University Donation free of cost from Cypress Semiconductors USA. The estimation budget for the grant is $230,000. The department signed MOU with Tokyo Metropolitan University, Japan, for exchange of faculty members in advanced research areas like VLSI and signal processing activities. The department signed MOU with Analog Devices Hyderabad and set up a multimedia laboratory to train both undergraduate and postgraduate students. Under this program, Analog Devices provided the Blackfin processors. The Navigation Electronics Research and Training Unit was established in the year 1982. So far, it has 82 journal publications and 191 conference publications. The department also has a well-equipped seminar hall and the state-of-the-art auditorium. The department was accredited by NBA with A grade for 5 years. ISO 9001 certified. Andhra Pradesh State Council for Higher Education has graded this department with 7.9. 3 teachers of the department received the state awards and 1 faculty member received Vishweshwaraya Award from IE and an IETE award in the year 2009. The department has also contributed learning modules in the SONET program in the areas of communication engineering, DSP and network theory.